If you want to hide photos and videos on OPPO Find X9 Pro, then first of all we're gonna open the Photos app. I'm gonna use this blue Photos app because this is the OPPO's gallery app. So I'm gonna use this one. And in this case, if you want to hide a single photo or a video, once you open the photo, you can tap on these three dots in the upper right corner. And then we have lock option. So we can choose this option and then press OK. And there we go. We can also see how we can open the locked album. We can touch and hold the bottom bar or go to albums locked. So if you use gestures for navigation, then you should be able to use it. Apparently, I'm not sure. And we're gonna check that in a second. Also, if you want to hide multiple photos and videos at once, then you can do the following. You can press and hold your finger on the photo or video in order to select it, and then we can select multiple items at once. Then tap on more in the bottom right corner and choose lock, of course. There we go. Now, go to albums, and over here, if we scroll down, you should be able to find the locked option, I believe, somewhere over here. Apparently not here, so what we're gonna do... Oh, there we go, it is actually here, I'm blind, sorry about that. And most likely, if you don't have the privacy password set up, then you will have to do that first in order to, of course, be able to create the private album. But we're gonna enter the privacy password, and there we go, we have our images and videos that we have moved to that locked folder. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.